In this video, we will be replacing the airbox in this 2003 Toyota Camry. Taking a look inside the engine bay, we want to focus our attention on the driver's side portion of the engine. There we will find our airbox, which houses our air filter. On both sides of the cover to our air filter, we have a 10mm screw. And these screws will loosen up but won't come out. After that, we want to locate our mass airflow sensor. And next to that mass airflow sensor, we do have a 10mm screw. We could also use a Phillips head to loosen the clamp for our ducting. And we can also disconnect the wiring harness for the mass airflow sensor. And this should allow us to work the cover off. And we are still connected by our vacuum switching valve bracket. This is held on by a Phillips head screw, and then we can work that off. And with the top removed and air filter removed, I am left with the base of my airbox. And taking a look inside of that base, I do have 3 screw locations. This particular one only has 2 bolts. These are 10mm bolts that need to be removed next. We can then work the base of the airbox out of the engine bay. That then can be replaced by our new base. Now my new base and top cost $25 at the Salvage Yard, so that was a pretty good deal. And we can screw those down with 3 bolts. Now I will want to take my mass airflow sensor off and switch that to my new component. We can then work that back in place, reconnect the vacuum switching valve, reconnect our mass airflow sensor, and tighten down our ducting clamp. And lastly, snug down those bolts, holding the top onto the bottom. And this repair is complete.